This is the lecture number 2 for the chapter Statistics of class 10th, and we are discussing the first exercise in the first lecture. Now in question number 4, it is given that there is a woman and the number of heartbeats of the woman is given, that is 65 to 68, and the number of women are given, and you have to find the mean heartbeat per minute of the woman. Now it is given that whose heartbeat is from 65 to 68, the number of women are 2. This is the question number 4. And 68 to 71 is number of women is 14, and 71 to 74 it is 13, and so on. This data is given. You have to find the mean heartbeat per minute of the woman. So first of all, as usual, you have to find the class marks, which is denotes by xi, which is obtained by adding the lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. So this plus this divided by 2, it will be 66.5. 68 plus 71 divided by 2, it will be equal to 69.5. 71 plus 74 divided by 2, it will be equal to 72.5. 74 plus 77 divided by 2, it will be equal to 75.5. 77 plus 80 divided by 2, it will be equal to 78.5. 80 plus 83 divided by 2, it will be equal to 4, 81.5, and 83 plus 86 divided by 2, it is equal to 84. So this is the class marks which we denote as xi. Now we find di, which is equal to xi minus a, that is assumed mean. And as I told you in the last lecture also, you have to take the assumed mean from the xi column. From the xi column. So how many data is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have to take exactly the middle, which is how much? It is 75.5, which is equal to a. We have let it as the assumed mean, xi minus a. So xi is this, assumed mean is this. So in this column, di is equal to xi minus a. It is 66.5 minus 75.5 will be equal to minus 9. 69.5 minus a, which is 75.5, is equal to minus 6. 72.5 minus 75.5 equal to minus 6. 75.5 minus 75.5 will be equal to 0. 78 minus 78.5 minus 75.5 will be equal to 3. 81.5 minus 75.5 will be equal to 6, and 84.5 minus 75.5 will be equal to 9. This is di, deviation, that is xi minus assumed mean, and assumed mean we have let equal to 75.5. Then we find ui, which is equal to xi minus assumed mean upon class size. Now assumed mean is, we have taken 75.5, and the class size, you know that, upper limit minus lower limit, which is equal to 3, that is 68 minus 5 is the class size, which is equal to 3. So ui xi minus 75.5 upon 3, that is d. Minus 9 divided by 3, minus 3. Minus 6 divided by 3, it is minus 2, because we have already find xi minus 75.5, which is equal to this. So minus 3 divided by 3, minus 1. 0 divided by 3, it is 0. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. That is ui. Then you have to make a column where you have to find fi with ui, that is you have to multiply ui with this frequency, that is fi. That is to note the number of women. So fi into ui, that is 2 into minus 3, minus 6. 4 into minus 2, that is minus 8. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. 8 into 0 is equal to 0. 7 into 1 is equal to 7. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. And 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So this is the column for the product of fi with ui. And the sum of this is, you can add it. Minus 6 minus 3 minus 8 is minus 17. And 15 plus 6, 21. So simplified, you will get plus 4. And the sum of the frequency, that is equal to 30, summation of fi. And the mean by using a step deviation method is assumed mean, that is a plus summation fi ui upon summation fi into h. A is 75.5, summation fi ui is 4, summation fi is 30, and class size, which is h, equal to 3. So replace these values Simplify it, that is 75.9 is the mean heartbeat per minute of the given data, of the women. Now in question number 5, you read it again from your book. The number of mangoes in the box is given, that is the number of mangoes. If there are number of mangoes 52, the number of boxes are 15. If there are 53 to 55, number of boxes are 110. If it is from 56 to 58, the number of boxes are 135. If it is from 159 to 61, the number of boxes is 115. If it is from 62 to 64, the number of boxes are 15. You have to find the mean of this mangoes. So as usual, first of all, number of boxes, you call it Fi, because these are the frequency. Add it, it will be equal to 400, that is summation of Fi. Then you have to find the class marks, which is obtained by adding lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, or the mid values of this class interval, which is 50 plus 52 upon 2 will be equal to 51. We call it Xi. It will be 54, it will be 57, for this it will be 60, and for this it will be 63. Lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. Then you have to find di, which is equal to xi minus assumed mean. That is assumed mean, we have let it here as this. This is assumed mean. We let it here. So 51 minus 57 minus 6, 54 minus 57 minus 3. This is known as the deviation, that is di. 57 minus 57 is 0 because xi minus 57. 60 minus 57 is 3. 63 minus 57 is 6. Then you have to find ui, which is equal to xi minus assumed mean upon class size. Now the class size here is 50, 51, 52, that is 3. From 50 to 52 it is 3. From 52 to 55 it is 3, that is 53, 54, 55. So it is equal to 3. So minus 6 divided by 3, it is minus 2, minus 3 divided by 3, minus 1, 0 divided by 3, 0, 3 divided by 3, it is 1, 6 divided by 3, it is equal to 2. Then you have to find the column for Fi with ui. So ui column is this, Fi column is this. So 15 into minus 2, it is minus 30. 110 minus multiplied by minus 1 is minus 110. 135 multiplied with 0, it is equal to 0. 15 into 1 is equal to 115. 25 into 2 is equal to 50. So add it. 2 terms are negative, 2 terms are positive. Simplify, you are getting plus 25. And total frequency is 400. And the mean as usual, here A is 57, that is assumed mean. Class size is 3. Mean is A plus summation Fi ui upon summation Fi into H. Assumed mean is 57. Summation Fi ui is equal to 25. Summation Fi is equal to 400. And into H, the class size is already, we have discussed, equal to 3. Put in this formula, it is 57.19 is the mean of this given data. So in question number 6, the table is given as the daily expenditure of the family is given, and the number of families or the number of household is given. If the daily expenditure is 100 to 150, then the number of households are 4. If the daily expenditure is from 150 to 200, the number of households are 5. From 200 to 250 it is 12, 250 to 200 it's 2, 300 to 350 it is equal to 2. So you have to find the mean again, and you can use the step deviation method, because in this method the calculation are easy, though the table is large. But you can do the calculation on your tips, because the multiplication or addition subtraction are very, very short. So first of all, as usual, you call this column as Fi, then you have to mark the class mark, which is Xi, which is obtained by adding lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 100 plus 150 divided by 2, it will be equal to 125. 150 plus 200 divided by 2, 175, or we can call them the mid value of this class interval. You know how to find this column. There's 300 plus 350 divided by 2, 325, and so on. Then you have to find the deviation, that is Xi, which is equal to Xi minus assumed mean. Xi minus assumed mean. And assumed mean is here we let as A, 225. The middle value we usually take as the assumed mean. So di is Xi minus A, that is 125 minus 225 minus 100. 175 minus 225 is equal to minus 50. 225 divided minus 225 is 0. 275 minus 225 is equal to 50. and 325 minus 225 is equal to 100. Then you have to find ui, which is equal to xi minus a upon 50. xi minus a upon class size. A is 225, that is the assumed mean. H is class size, which is 100 to 150 is 50. 150 minus 100 is equal to 50. So xi minus 25 is equal to minus 100 divided by 50 minus 2. Minus 50 divided by 50 is minus 1. 0 divided by 50 it is 0. 50 divided by 50 is 1. 100 divided by 50 is 2. So this is the column of ui. Then you have to make a column where you have to multiply fi with ui. So you have to multiply this column with this. So fi into ui column. 4 into minus 2 it is minus 8. 5 into minus 1 is equal to minus 5. 12 into 0 is equal to 0. 2 into 1 is equal to 2, and 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Simplify this column. Minus 13 plus 6, that is minus 7, and the mean is assumed mean plus summation fi ui upon summation fi into h, which assumed mean is 225. Summation fi ui is minus 7 divided by total frequency, which is equal to 25, into class size, which is 50. Simplify, it will be equal to 215. So the daily expenditure of the food is rupees 211. Daily expenditure of the food. So this is the question number 6 of the first exercise. Now read the question number 7 in your book, all of you. Now in question number 7, it is given that you have to find the concentration of SO2. It is given in particles per minute, and it is given that the number of localities are given as 4 localities, and so on. You have to find the mean concentration of SO2 in the air. SO2 in the air. So as usual, this is the column concentration, then the frequency, number of localities are given, that is fi, we call it fi. Then we find the class mark, which is obtained by adding lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, which will be 0.02. Similarly, 0.04 plus 0.08 divided by 2.06, and so on. This will be the class mark. Then you have find the deviation, which is di, which is equal to xi minus assumed mean. And assumed mean, as usual, we have let 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 2 middle values. You can take either 0.10 or you can take 0.14. So I have taken this as the assumed mean. So xi minus assumed mean, that is 0.02 minus 0.14 will be equal to 0.12. 0.06 minus 0.14 will be equal to minus 0.08. This is 0.10 minus 0.14. It will be equal to minus 0.04. 0.14 minus 0.14 equal to 0. 0.18 minus 0.14 is equal to 0.04, and this 0.08. ui, which is equal to xi minus assumed mean upon class size. A is as minus 0.14 and class size is 0.04, upper limit minus lower limit. So this is xi minus this. So minus 0.12 divided by 0.04, it will be equal to minus 3, it will be minus 2. Similarly, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. It is the order. When you do these questions in order, you will get it in the order how you will get this column. Starting from 0, it will be 1, 2, 3, and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on. Then in the column, it is fi into ui. That is, you have to multiply this fi with this column ui, that is 4 into minus 3 minus 12. There's a 9 into minus 2 is equal to minus 18. 9 into minus 1 is minus 9, and so on. These are the negative value, these are the positives. Added, you are getting minus this minus 31. So the mean is assumed mean plus summation fi ui upon summation fi into h. This is a, this is summation fi ui, this is summation f, this is class size. Added, simplified, 0.099 is the average concentration of SO2 per minute. This is 0.099. So this is the completion of the exercise, or rather the completion of the lecture 2. We'll discuss the remaining in the next lecture. Thank you.